morning, MyBlindCo users. Today I'm going to talk about how to customize your email verbiage. So I've already logged into the portal here. You might have noticed on the left menu under My Business, we have a category called Customize. This is where you can add quote and order disclaimers, update your appointments, but I want to talk about customizing the email greetings. If you don't put anything here, we do have a default verbiage for you, which is editable on the fly. But if you just want to set it so you don't have to worry about it or just make small tweaks, this is where you come. So from the top here, quote email greeting verbiage. So this shows up under quotes. When you go download an email, it'll bring up an email here. And this is the quote email greetings verbiage. So right here would be, thank you for meeting with me. Whatever you want to say. And the email closing verbiage is the have a great day. So you can say whatever you like, maybe your thank you or warm regards, but this is the closing here, have a great day. And this is the same for the quote. It's the same for if you're sending a order, which would be under the order tab when you go to download an email. You can customize this verbiage. That goes here. Thank you for your order. All right, so as we scroll down, then we have email verbiage for sending an e-invoice. So for all of you guys who are signed up with MyBlindCo Pay, when you go and send an e-invoice, you can customize the verbiage for a quote. Okay, so let's go over to quotes, actions, send e-invoice. This is for, say you're out a week earlier, you quoted a job and they want to close on it. They call you up and say, hey, ready to go ahead with that quote. You can send them an e-invoice. They get this email with the quote attached. They can actually sign off on that job and takes them to a payment page. They can actually pay the deposit all remotely. Then it comes back into MyBlindCo as an order. So this verbiage here is what would go into the quote e-invoice email verbiage. And you can edit this as well, but this will come directly from that customized page. Similarly, maybe you have an order. They've already paid the deposit. You've already ordered the products, and now it's time to pay the final balance, and you want to send them an e-invoice to collect the balance due. You'd go to the order tab, go to actions, send e-invoice. And this verbiage would again pull from the My Business Customize, and I'll show you that real quick. So let's go back to the My Business Customize, scroll down to the bottom. That would be the e-invoice order verbiage. Thank you for working with us. Please hit the accept and pay for final balance due. So that's for when you send an e-invoice of an order. Lastly, we have the email greetings when you receive payment. Okay, so that would be down here. And that scenario is when you have a quote, or actually, let's go to orders and receive payment up here. And you actually process a payment. You hit receive payment. Customer gets the signed copy of their order and payment confirmation via email. And this would be the verbiage that they see. Thank you for your order and have a great day. So this is where each of these verbiages apply. Hope this helps. You guys have a great day.